Bruh. Rude. I love how they have... Oh, they have a bullet train.
Yeah, I got bullet train. Oh, I got bullet train soda.
Got that. And there's so much.
He's so hungry. That's cute.
Aww. Pretty. Wait. Is that?
Did you mix it?
I'm happy. I'm content.
That's actually really good. Oh my goodness. That place.
It tastes like
good.
Oh, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like the banana milk.
Oh.
Hello. What would you rate it?
It was a good 10 out of 10. And very delicious.
Now Coda's checking to see how lonely I'm gonna be in college.
That is not.
USD.
I don't know. Interesting. Okay.
Hi, I'm home from my hangout, and when I got home, I got a package, enhypen album, the engine version. So we're gonna open it. So we're gonna see what I get. And, oh my god. This one's so cute actually. I got the t-shirt and then this album. I'm gonna open the lucky draw here. So I'm scared. Two t-shirts. I got Sunyu! This is my first ever Sunyu card! Oh my god! You're so cute! I'm impatient. Okay. So it comes with a little letter.
Okay, album.
Okay, album time. Okay, this is the Weavers one. You did it? Oh my god, he's so fine. Oh my god, I was Sunyu. Sunyu! And then you pick.
Two.
Okay.
Just Target's like Target's. Oh, you haven't?
Cool. Double J! Oh my god! Oh my god, I got double J's. Okay. $70.